So here's a question you probably never asked your science teacher. What if we throw an ant from the top of the Empire State Building? Don't worry, no ants were harmed in the making of this video. But stay with me, because the answer is so weird that it'll blow your mind.
Dr. Nax.
If you drop a human, well, gravity doesn't play nice. They hit the ground at 120 miles an hour. Instant game over. But an ant? That little dude is practically immortal in freefall. Thanks to the square cube law, ants are basically walking parachutes. Toss one from 1,400 feet, and instead of splat, it just dusts itself off, says nice view, and walks away like nothing happened.
But hey, why stop at one? Imagine throwing 100 ants at once. A mini ant air show over New York. They'd all survive the fall, unless they accidentally land on a hungry pigeon. In that case, congrats, you just invented fast food with wings. But wait, what if we get creative? Seal a colony of ants in a plastic bag and toss it down. Suddenly physics flips. The bag traps air, and now it's falling like a rock. The ants inside don't splat from the fall, but they suffocate, killed not by gravity, but by our dumb experiment. Isn't this dark? Okay, scenario 4, let's go big. The Burj Khalifa, tallest building on Earth. Twice as high, twice as terrifying. But the ants? Still fine. They don't care if it's 20 feet or 2,700 feet. It's all the same to them. Honestly, ants are tougher than half the Marvel heroes out there. Now let's get interplanetary. Drop an ant on Mars' gravity, which is 1/3 of Earth's. The atmosphere is thinner, so it falls in slow motion, like it's doing a TikTok dance. Safe. But on the moon? Nope. With no air resistance, the ant just accelerates and kaboom! Turns into literal space dust. And here's the nightmare finale. A swarm of ants, thrown from the Empire State Building, landing not on the ground, but on you. Thousands of tiny bodies crawling across your clothes, your hair, your face. The ants survived. But you? You scream loud enough to wake up the whole of Manhattan. So yeah, throwing ants off skyscrapers doesn't give you bug pancakes. It gives you a crash course in physics, biology, and a reminder that sometimes the tiniest creatures survive the biggest drops, while we humans trip on a Lego and nearly die. Click on this video, because this shows what would happen if the Yellowstone supervolcano explodes tomorrow. Don't miss this one. It's interesting. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel for such educational content. Thanks for watching. Click on this video. I'll see you there.